Social Media Marketing Crash Course, an overview. Introduction. Welcome to the Social Media Marketing Crash Course. In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. It has revolutionized the way we connect, communicate, and consume information. Social media platforms provide an incredible opportunity for businesses to reach and engage with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. In this crash course, we will provide an overview of social media marketing, share interesting stories, and delve into the top 12 social media marketing methods and techniques. Get ready to discover the power of social media and unlock the potential for your business. Stories and examples. 1. The power of viral content. A small startup creates a witty and shareable video that goes viral on social media. Overnight, their brand awareness skyrockets, and they experience a surge in website traffic and sales. 2. Influencer partnerships. A popular fitness influencer collaborates with a sports apparel brand to promote their products on social media. The influencer's authentic and trusted endorsement leads to a significant increase in brand visibility and a boost in sales for the brand. Top 12 social media marketing methods/techniques. 1. Content marketing. Creating and sharing valuable and relevant content to attract and engage the target audience. 2. Social media advertising. Running targeted ads on social media platforms to reach a specific audience and increase brand visibility. 3. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influential individuals on social media to promote products or services. 4. Social media contests and giveaways. Organizing contests and giveaways to encourage user participation, engagement, and brand loyalty. 5. User-generated content. Encouraging customers to create and share content related to your brand, products, or services. 6. Live video streaming. Using live video platforms to connect with the audience in real time, showcase events, or provide behind-the-scenes access. 7. Social listening. Monitoring and analyzing social media conversations to understand customer sentiment, identify trends, and gather insights for marketing strategies. 8. Chatbots and Messaging Apps. Utilizing automated chatbots and messaging apps to provide instant customer support and engage with users. 9. Influencer takeovers. Allowing influencers to take over social media accounts for a day or a specific campaign, providing fresh and engaging content. 10. Social media analytics. Using analytics tools to track and measure the performance of social media campaigns, identify areas for improvement, and optimize marketing strategies. 11. Hashtag campaigns. Creating and promoting unique hashtags to increase brand visibility, encourage user-generated content, and track campaign success. 12. Social media listening tools. Employing social media listening tools to monitor brand mentions, track competitors, and identify opportunities for engagement. Summarization. Social media marketing offers businesses an incredible platform to connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive conversions. From content marketing to influencer partnerships, social media advertising to user-generated content, there are numerous methods and techniques to effectively leverage social media for marketing purposes. By employing a combination of these strategies and keeping up with the latest trends and analytics, businesses can maximize their social media presence and achieve their marketing goals. Poem. In the digital realm, where connections abound. Social media marketing, a power profound. Engaging with customers, building brand esteem. Harnessing the potential of this dynamic stream. Viral content that captures the heart. Spreading like wildfire, igniting a spark. Influencers sharing their authentic voice. Propelling brands forward, a powerful choice. Content marketing, a valuable embrace. Sharing knowledge and stories, leaving a trace. Ads that target, reaching the right crowd. Brand visibility soaring, standing tall and proud. Contests and giveaways, excitement in the air. Customers engaged, a bond beyond compare. User-generated content. A community strong. Customers turned advocates, singing along. Live streaming moments, a connection so real. Events and behind the scenes, an enchanting reel. Social listening, understanding the chatter. Customer sentiment, insights that matter. Chatbots and messaging, instant support. Engaging with users, a seamless rapport. Influencer takeovers, a fresh new look. Captivating the audience, like an open book. Analytics unveil, the numbers don't lie. Measuring success, aiming high. Hashtag campaigns, a trend to embrace. Tracking, creating, leaving a trace. Social media listening, insights to gain. Monitoring brand mentions, a valuable terrain. With these techniques, the possibilities bloom. Social media marketing, a powerful room. Song. Verse 1. In a world so connected, where screens come alive. Social media marketing, the key to survive. From viral content to influencers so grand. We harness the power, a digital wonderland. Chorus. Social media marketing, a journey to explore. Engaging with customers like never before. Contests, influencers, content so pure. In the world of social media, we find the cure. Verse 2. Content marketing, a story to tell. Sharing knowledge and wisdom, we cast a spell. Ads that target, reaching the right crowd. Brand visibility soaring, standing tall and proud. Chorus. Social media marketing, a journey to explore. Engaging with customers like never before. Contests, influencers, content so pure. In the world of social media, we find the cure. Bridge. Live streaming moments, in real time we connect. Social listening, insights we dissect. Hashtag campaigns, trending and alive. User-generated content, a community thrives. Chorus. Social media marketing, a journey to explore. Engaging with customers like never before. Contests, influencers, content so pure. In the world of social media, we find the cure. Outro. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.